The Purohita perform religious ceremonies and advise the king on important matters. So the Purohita or the Pandit who used to perform the religious ceremonies and advise the king on important matters in order to run the administration or the tribe. The Senani was the commander in chief of the warriors and lead the forces during a war. So each tribe had a Senani who was the chief, who was the commander in chief, and he was the very good soldier and lead the force if there is any war. The Rajan did not have absolute power. Two council called the Sabha and the Samiti exercise control over the king. So the two different types of councils were established, which was controlled by the king, that is Sabha and Samiti. The Samiti was a large assembly where any member of the tribes could give his or her opinion on important matters concerning the tribe. So in the Samiti there was a kind of assembly hall where all the members will come together from the tribe and they will give his or her opinion to the king, whether in any matter, if there is any emergency, the people will come together and they will share their opinion with the king openly. The Sabha was a smaller assembly of important members of the tribe, and the Sabha was a smaller assembly where only important members of the tribe were present in order to look after the different issues in the tribe. They advised and guided the king. Women also took part in these assemblies, and in the Sabha and Samiti, women were also given the importance. They can also be a part in the assemblies and give their opinions regarding any problem. So this is the political structure of early Vedic. So the Jana and the Rajan. After Rajan, they are divided into three parts. That is Grama Gramani, Gramani and Grama Gramani. That means into three division, and in three division, all the families they used to live separately. So all the especially in the political structure of the early Vedic, they were divided into Grama Gramani, and they will have their separate family and Grihapati. Okay, so in this picture it is only three, but there are many others also.